Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to see example number 1.8. See the question first, then we will see the solution. An electron falls through a distance of 1.5 centimeter in a uniform electric field of magnitude 2.0 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per Coulomb. The direction of the field is reversed, keeping its magnitude unchanged, and proton falls through same distance. Compute the time of fall in each case. Constrain the situation with that of free fall under the gravity. Okay, so here we have two equation. Out of them, first one is electron, that let us see first. Okay, this situation, and another situation we have proton, regarding proton. Okay, so over here I am going to give a solution for only electron. Rest means for proton you have to find yourself. That is your homework for today. Now let us see again. An electron falls through a distance of 1.5 centimeter in a uniform electric field of magnitude. Okay, so over here, see, this is the diagram. Over here positive charge is situated over here, negative charge is situated over here at some distance which is given 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so as we know that electric field is from positive to negative direction, and electron falls under the what is called free fall of gravity. Okay, so over here we have to find out time taken by this electron to fall. Okay, for that let us see how we will solve this numerical. So field is upward, as you can see in diagram. So negatively charged electron experiences a downward force of magnitude. Okay, electric field is present, so we can easily find force, which is F equal to QE by using this equation, E equal to force per unit charge. So F equal to QE. Give equation number 1 to this equation. Okay, over here E stands for magnitude of electric field, which is already given in numerical, which is 2.0 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per Coulomb. Fine. Now since it is falling, means over here it accelerates, so we have to find out acceleration of electron also. So by using equation 1 only, we have F equal to QE barabar. So over here F equal to ma, that is a basic equation, and for Q we are using electron. Okay, for our charge particle. So for electron we are using Q equal to E. So we are putting E over here, F equal to ma. So make a subject A. So A equal to, we have E upon me. Since we are taking electron, so m stands for mass of electron, which is 9.11 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Okay, now that electron is falling downward direction, so let us consider starting this electron from rest. Means initial velocity of electron will be 0. Okay, initial velocity of this electron will be 0. So what is the time required by electron to fall through a distance h? Let us consider h as a distance. So here we can go for second equation of motion. So by using second equation of motion, d or equal to h equal to v0t plus half at square. Okay, initial velocity will be 0, so 0 multiplied by time, that is 0, and plus half at square. Okay, h we are taking by just solve, so we will get this equation h equal to half at square. Now we have to find out time, so make a subject as t with respect to this equation. So we will get te equal to under root of 2h upon ee upon me, where this is the value of acceleration. Fine. Now by simplifying this, we will get this equation. Now put all the values in in this equation. So h value me, which is 9.11 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg, e, which is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, capital E electric field already given 2.0 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per Coulomb. Put all the values and find out this answer. Okay, and along with step by step answer I want. That is your homework for today. So finally whatever answer you will get, that you have to send me on my number. Okay, so this is the first equation for electron. Similar thing you have to follow for proton. Okay, but remember, for proton falls through a same distance, but here direction of electric field is reversed. Okay, so by using this way you have to find out value of proton also. That is your homework. And one more homework you have today, you have to find out this time, whatever you have in second, and then you send it to me. That's all for today. Thank you.